Intopia Learn.
Why engage with digital accessibility? We know that accessibility can help create a better user experience for all of our customers. But this isn't the only reason to be committed to digital accessibility. The Web Accessibility Initiative identifies 4 other key business drivers for engaging in accessibility. These can be summarised as reach, reputation, risk, and renewal. Let's start with market reach. The World Health Organization estimates that around 16% of global population experience disability. That's over 1 million people and rising. But they're not the only group who benefit from accessibility. The same features can also improve the user experience for seniors, people with low literacy, people for whom English is a second language, anyone experiencing an injury or illness, and carers, just to name a few groups. The Return on Disability Group estimates that accessibility actually affects 73% of all customers. And if those customers are satisfied with their experience, they'll contribute to point number 2, our reputation. Many organisations such as Apple, Microsoft, and Barclays have garnered positive reputations for delivering digital accessibility. This is particularly impactful when you consider that people with disabilities are twice as likely to persuade others to avoid an organisation due to unmet needs or discrimination. Digital accessibility can even make a brand more visible, as it overlaps with good search engine optimization practice. Not engaging with digital accessibility brings us to point number 3, risk. We have a legal obligation to provide an accessible digital experience to all customers. Businesses that have failed to do so in the past, such as the Sydney Olympics, Target US and Domino's, have been successfully sued. We'll cover more of our obligations in the next video. Our final point is that when we engage with digital accessibility, we renew our sense of innovation and motivation. Technology like autocomplete, dark mode, and voice control all began as accessibility initiatives. So did electric toothbrushes, typewriters, and audiobooks. These are examples of the curb cut effect. A ramp may be intended to provide access for wheelchair users, but it also helps people with bikes, prams, or heavy deliveries. And it can lead to new innovations, like the wheeled suitcase, which became popular after ramps became common. This might be why one study found accessibility to be a common practice in Fortune 100 companies. Because ultimately, digital accessibility is simply good design.